Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study lesson 4, unit 8 in your health science course. Our lesson today is about the importance of using a seat belt. There are three main points, which are the UAE and seat belts, seat belt facts, and infants and safety seats. The UAE and seat belts. In 1996, a law was passed for people in the UAE to wear seat belts in front of a vehicle. Later, a law was passed that children under the age of 10 can't sit in the front seat. In 2017, the government passed a new law. This law states that both passengers and drivers will face fines if they do not wear a seat belt. Also, infants below the age of 4 must be in a child safety seat. As we seen in the video, there are 4 people in the car. 2 of them fastened their seat belts and the others didn't. As you can see, the consequences are very dangerous. Seatbelt facts. Seat belts are designed to keep people in their seats during a crash. If people don't wear a seat belt, they might hit the steering wheel or even go through the windscreen. Beside the previous facts, modern testing has found that wearing seat belts reduces the risk of injury during a crash by up to 63%. It also found that it reduced death by over 50%. In a crash, a backseat passenger who's not wearing a seat belt can be thrown forward with enough force to kill the person in front of him. Now let's go to the third point. Infants and safety. Infants are one of the age ranges most at the risk during a crash. A child in the back of a car without a seat belt has a very little chance to survive. Here is a guide to the different types of car seats, their uses and age ranges. The first one, rear-facing car seats. The second, front-facing car seats. Then we have booster seats and normal seat belts. Do you think we should fasten our seat belts in the back seat of a car? Explain your reasons. Leave your answers in the comments. Thank you. Goodbye.